At least 2 videos a month. Check back on Thursdays. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your animation in Krita. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your timeline open, and like wherever you have it at, go over to this little icon right here that looks like a speaker, and click on that, and this little menu should show up here, and it says open audio, mute, or remove audio. Click open audio, and then this list window will show up, and what you do is you find where you have your audio at. What I suggest you do is make sure you have your audio in a specific folder for whatever animation project that you're working on, and then you click on the audio that you want to use and you open it. Now that audio is inside the timeline, so when you press play, the audio should make a sound. Well, that's how you add sound in Krita when you want to do your animations with sound. If you would like to see me do if you would like to see me do, show you how I do lip syncing, I could make another video on that, probably sometime in the future. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like anything in the video, then consider subscribing and pressing that notification bell. Also, if you would like to support me in another way, then consider becoming a Patreon for only $2 a month. You can find a link to my Patreon as well as links to other social media platforms in the description below. See you next time. Bye.